This is a 2-in-1 tutorial, one ear cuff and one earring. You could use them separately or both together, so let's go. As always, we need the wire, 18 gauge for the cross ear cuff and 20 gauge for the earring, and also a pearl. Chain nose pliers, round nose pliers, flush cutter or wire cutter. We start by the cross ear cuff. It's just like a simple tie. Cut about 10 centimeters in 18 gauge wire and leave about 4 centimeters in one side, and with your round nose pliers make a bend, and in about 2 centimeters make another one. Now we have two bends at the middle of this wire strand. If you pull the tails, it would be a little smaller, the triangle that you had made. But pay attention, the angles should be curved enough not to damage your ear. And then, again, put your round nose pliers and make two curves at the end of the strand. At the start and ending point. And check them out to be all straight. Till now, we have this structure, almost like a triangle with two lines attached. As you squeeze it more, the triangle or this space would be smaller. Now, I pick up one of my tools and with the plastic part, I make curves on the surface of this X or cross shape. Then I intense this curved shape with my round nose pliers on each lines, the cross lines, and also the triangle-like shape. But how much do we need to continue making them curved? You could just put it on your finger, at the side of your finger, and take a look, and also squeeze it well to have the cross and X shape. And also this space could be more squeezed as your ear shape and size. Then you should put it onto your ear, and if needed, squeeze it a little more and change the form and the shape till it fits exactly on your ear. Now pick up the 20 gauge wire first, make it all straight. I'm doing it with chain nose pliers, but you could use a nylon mallet too. I've chosen one of my nail polishes to form the wire better, but you could use any other kind of shapes that give you the same result. We need to make a curved and semicircle shape and then make a bend and angle. Make the other half too. And here I'm using my nail polish to make the other half rounded shape. Cut it out at the middle, and you could do some refinements with round nose pliers if needed. This is the main structure for the earring. Insert the pearl into the larger tail of this structure and make a very little curved shape with round nose pliers at the end, and then squeeze it well to be attached completely. This prevents the pearl from falling down, and then you could push it into this doubled wire so carefully and little by little so that it would be attached and fixed. Or you could make a wire weaving part at the bottom of this pearl. Don't forget to use the jewelry file for the part that is going to be inserted into your ear. Applying jewelry file makes it smooth and easier to use. And finally, this would be the look of the cross ear cuff and the earring itself. You could use them together or separately. And also, you could hammer this part of the earring if you want it to be more firm and durable. Hope you had enjoyed this tutorial.